Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to get a warning when a website try to install add-ons in Firefox on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Firefox browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner and select settings in the drop down menu. In Firefox settings, select this one privacy and security. On the right, scroll down to find permissions section, this one permissions section, and here you will find an option warn you when websites try to install add-ons. Check this one option to get the warning from a website when they try to install add-ons and you want to allow a few websites. Click on this one exceptions button and then type the address and then click on this one allow button, then click on this one save changes button